Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you this time. So you guys saw that I had recently received this watch from Jord watches, and unfortunately they did not size it for me, and so it is a little bit big. And so I thought, well, they gave me this, which is a pamphlet that I could bring to my local jeweler, and they would give me a $50 gift card if I were to have a local jeweler do it for me. But I thought, I always do this with my own watches, and so I will go ahead and show you guys how to size a watch like this one. Also for this video I thought, so I have my Louis Vuitton watch, and I thought I would also show you guys how to. So I have several different watch bands for this watch, and I will show you guys how to change out the strap. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will change the view so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. So yeah, stay tuned and see how I do it. Alright. Alright, I am back and I am here, and I just have the watches on a table here, and excuse the light, I'm trying to not put the glare in there, but yeah, so let's start with my new Jord watch. And by the way, there is still a giveaway going on, so be sure to check out that on my on the link down below. However you got this is kind of confusing. I think I am on the top of the screen, and so this is the bottom on this side. So let's see. So I did not plan this out. Well, I got this. This is a toolkit that I got off of Amazon. Let me just show you guys what I have in here. That's a little hammer. This thing is what I usually use for most of my watches to take pins out, but unfortunately, if you guys see, the band is a little bit too big. And so what I am going to use is this little contraption here, and everything else in here is other things that I can use to fix my watches. So here we go. Usually watches have, let me just take off the blue tape here. Usually watches have an arrow that you can see on the back side of the band, indicating which way the pin goes, but this one does not look like it does. I do believe the pin goes, I would have to, if you guys can see, it's hard to see, but anyways, the pin, I think I hammer it on this side because there is a little bit, there's a donut in there. On this side it's completely solid, and so this item is basically where I can put the watch through it like that and stabilize it. And what I am thinking, let me just go ahead and take this watch off really quickly and see how many bands I need to take off. And I have done this already previously, and I think I need to take off about 2. You guys can see that there is quite some give, and so I think I'll take off 2. And so it looks like this side has 4 bands that I could adjust, and this side has 3. And so I will take it off from the longer side here, what else do I need? Oh, so another thing that I need for this is in this bag, and it is a little thing that I basically hammer in to take the pin out. So let's go ahead and do that. I think I will do it on this one right here first. And so you guys can see my watch tan. Oh my goodness. You know that I like watches. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this off. Sometimes you have to be pretty forceful to take it out. And sorry if that sound is annoying, but you guys can see the pin is sticking out right there. And before I take that out, I'm going to take the pin on this one out as well. Okay. And so you guys can see now you have 2 pins out, and all you have to do is pull them right out. And I don't know if all of these little pieces are going to fall out, but let me just pull that out. See how easy it pulls apart? And this one as well. And so I have taken off 2 links, and I'll put this back together and I'll see if it fits a lot better for me. And again, I'll put the pin right in there. And before I tighten it, well, first I have to wiggle it in. Alright, and let me take this little thing off of the... Okay, so I took that piece off. Alright, so now the watch, let me see if I put it on, if it fits a lot better. Or if I need to put, oh, and it's a perfect fit. So I do like my watches with a little bit of give, but not too much, and that is perfect. And so I think I'll leave it like that. And yeah, you guys can see that awesome wooden watch from Jord watches. Alright, so next up, my Louis Vuitton watch. Alright. Let me take that off of its little cradle. And in order to remove this strap, there is also some pins. You guys can see if it'll focus. Alright, there's pins right there and right there that I'm also going to have to hammer out. And let me show you guys. Let me put this away real quick. And so I'll still need, I might be able to use this one, but let me, So this is the strap that I am going to use, and it is in monogram Eclipse. And so yeah, let me just put that right there for the meantime. And let me see if this will work. And you have to make sure that you know which way it's going. And okay, so this is not gonna work either because it's too close to the watch itself, and it's not going to be very easy. So let me see if this will be able to stand up in here. So it's not. Okay, let me just put it in like that, just so it stabilizes the watch. And here is my hammering little utensil, and here is my hammer. And for this one, I have to be careful not to hammer it all the way. Otherwise, I will leave a mark on that side, and you guys can see that there is a pin coming out there, and all you have to do is get another utensil here. And this is just a needle nose plier. And all you have to do is take this out. Okay, so I took out the pin. That came out with a little bit of a fight. And I will take the pin off of the other side. If I could position this nicely. Okay. So you guys can see. Sorry for the angles, by the way. This is the best way I know how to do it. Alright, so that was a little bit easier. And again, let me take the pin out. And there you go. So took that pin out. Okay, so these watches also come with extra pins. You guys can see right there in case they break or they really get out of shape. So let me get that piece and this piece here. And all you have to do is put the pins back. Alright. And now if I wanted to, because my new watch band comes with, let me just show you guys real quick. So this watch band that I recently acquired, this is in the monogram titanium. This comes with these easy removable, if it'll focus, easy removable little lock engage things. All I have to do is leave the pin in there and just put this on and take it right off. But I won't be using this one for this particular watch because I have a special watch that I'm going to use this one with. And so again, let me just bring this back. Here again, I will. And now when you are working or hammering in the pin, you want to use the white side, which is a little bit more delicate than the metal. And there you go, the pin is almost all in there, but I will, okay, there, I just pushed it in. Alright, and last but not least, I'll put this piece in here. And let me again hammer in the pin. You guys can see that the pin is sticking out a little bit, and I just need to hammer it in with this to get it in. And there you go. So I did replace the strap with my monogram Eclipse band, and I will give my monogram Macassar band a little bit of a break. Alright, so that does it for this video. You guys can see, so here is the watch again. This is my Louis Vuitton watch, and this is my newly sized Jord watch. And also, like I said, remember there is a giveaway going on. There is a link down in the bio. All you need to enter is your first name and your favorite Jord watch, and that enters you in. Oh, and your email also, just in case you do win. They have some way to contact you, and that enters you in for a chance to win a $100 gift card. And if you can't wait, then there is a $25 gift certificate available, and that code is docLUXURY. All the information is down below. Alright, so that does it for this video. I hope you liked it. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.